Here we have a basic LW-6 backhoe on the back of a 40 horsepower Enfly tractor. As you can see here, our backhoes are self-contained units. You have a hydraulic tank here, its own hoses into its own hydraulic pump running off the PTO speed. It basically has a speed up gearbox on it, so your backhoe will operate with a tractor RPM on about 1000 RPM quite easily at 540 speed. You have two outriggers, stabiliser legs, one either side. Standard operation in the control joysticks. The operation diagram pattern on the front there. Two for the legs and two four-way sticks. You've got your main boom. 300mm bucket standard on the LW-6 tractor. LW-6 backhoe. If you go to the LW-7 backhoe, you have a 400mm bucket standard. They have a swing arc of 140 degrees. Very simple, straightforward, sturdy unit. Selling these for more than 6 years.